welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over this month's Boxycharm for the month of July. This box was a really good one. I liked most of the products that are in here, so let me go ahead and read off the card each product, and then later on we will do the whole makeup look, what I have on right now. So the first thing that we got, I love that they come with this little card so that way I could read each product and see how much each product costs, because we all want to know the worth of the products and how much we are saving. So if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a subscription and it is $21 a month. You get $100 or more worth of product each month. Each month you get something different as well. They always send a variety of products. This is definitely a great subscription for those of you that want to start collecting makeup and also trying new products. I love this mainly for trying out new products because I never know what is good and what is not. So I love this subscription. So the first product we have here is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I've been wanting to use this mainly at night or maybe in the morning. I haven't used it yet, so I'm super excited to try this. I pretty much love all the skincare that has come in Boxycharm so far, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be disappointed in this. This has avocado and broccoli seeds, and it is rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. This also has vitamin C and passion fruit acids to help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. I definitely need some of that. So this product retails for $35 alone. That's crazy. The next product is the Butter London. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. I love when Boxycharm gives out eyeshadow palettes. I love all of them that I've gotten so far. This one is a really pretty variety of colors. I love the natural and then also that pop of color like the blue and that green. So this is a really fun, super simple palette, and the eyeshadows are super creamy and buttery. I loved using this. That is what I have on right now. It's super shimmery, and yeah, the consistency is buttery, just like the name, Butter London. This palette retails for $32. Are you adding all this up? Because girl, we already have $60 in products and this box only costs $21. Like, how good can you have it for the subscription? Next, we have these Luxie brushes. I love receiving Luxie brushes because the brushes are super high quality. Every set that I've gotten, I'm telling you guys, they are so soft and so good. They are definitely high quality brushes. These are the 3-piece, I can't even pronounce the name of these, Gaia, I think that's how you say it. But these retail for $30. It is a foundation brush. This is the Precision Crease brush, and this is the Large Eye Blending brush. So you get 3 brushes. So super happy every time I receive brushes. The next product is the lip gloss. This is Luna by Luna, and this is just a lip gloss, and it has shimmer in it. It is super pretty. It's like a nude with gold shimmer. Super cute. It's what I have on right now. Super cute. This retails for $18. And last but not least are these cleansing spa cloths, water cloths. These are makeup remover cloths. These cleansing spa wipes say that they help remove waterproof makeup, impurities with the skin, and it has mineral-rich cleansing spa water. Honestly, guys, I didn't like these. They feel really cheap, and I'm like, why did you guys just throw these in the box? Because they really feel cheap. They don't feel like a spa. They don't feel soft. They honestly feel like those cheap towelettes that you get at restaurants. That's how the material feels. So I wasn't really excited or happy about this one, but that's okay. There's always some hit and misses in these boxes. So I probably will give these to somebody that wants them, I don't know. But I won't be using these. So yeah, that is everything. Oh, also, these wipes retail for $17. I would not pay $17 for these wipes. Honestly, they feel like cheap dollar store wipes. So serious, and it is what it is. So that is everything that I got in this month's box for July. If you would like to see how I created this look using this month's products, then please keep on watching. And side note, this video I made for Instagram, so it is gonna be with no talking and a little bit of music in the background. Super chill, and my eyelash keeps messing up with the bottom lashes. It keeps getting stuck. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye, beauties.